Hi, Alex.
Hi Shakil. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am also fine. Why have you called me here?
On the previous day, I read an article about the importance of tree plantation.
Please tell me about the importance of tree plantation. I want to know about it in detail.
Trees are our best friends. Trees give us shade and shelter. We cannot think of our existence without trees. They are a great source of our food, vitamins, and furniture.
But do you notice that many bad people are cutting down trees at random? What might be its consequence?
If they cut down trees indiscriminately, the country will one day turn into a desert. The temperature will rise and it will cause greenhouse effect.
I think this would not be harmful if people planted more trees after cutting trees. But they seem to be very indifferent to planting trees.
You are right. To save life and maintain the ecological balance of the environment, there is no alternative to tree plantation.
Now I understand why tree plantation is so important. I think people of all walks of life should come forward to make tree plantation program a success.
Right you are.
Thank you for your more discussion.
Welcome. Bye. See you later.